In this video, we're going to discover how we can A/B test a send time of campaigns. So this would be sending different campaigns at different times in order to determine which is the most successful time to send a campaign. When we first load the app, we'll see our A/B test options here. So let's select the final option, which is send time. Okay, by default, we can set two variations. So we've got an A test and a B test. If we like, we can increase this to 3 variations. So effectively we've got an A test, a B test, and a C test. Okay, we've now been asked what campaign we're going to send. Let's set a campaign. We can choose from any of our previously built unsent campaigns. So let's select this one. Okay, we're now been asked to specify who we'd like to send to. Again, click on select, and we'll be shown our mailing lists. Click on a folder and tag the mailing list that you'd like to use on this experiment. You can select as many mailing lists as desired and they will go blue to show that you've selected them. The next section will ask us how big our sample size would like to be. By default, this is 10%. So in this state, a random 10% sample of these 3 mailing lists will be used to perform our A, B and C test. We can see approximations over here. So A segment will receive 195 subscribers and so on. And then the winning version from A, B and C will be sent to the remainder of our list, which is just under 6,000 subscribers. We can use the slider over here to increase or decrease these numbers, and we can see as we do this, the right hand side updates in real time. So let's set our test amount. Okay, as we're A/B testing the send time, we can see we've also got the section that's appeared here asking us to specify the send time of test segment A, test segment B, and test segment C. So it's just a case of clicking on the clock, specifying our send time. So let's do test segment A at 11 AM tomorrow, test segment B at 11 AM on the following day, and test segment C on the day afterwards. Okay, we can see we've racked up our send times here for A, B and C. Next we'll be asked to specify the send from address that we're going to use for these tests. This is our sender profile, so we can click on the plus symbol here to select a sender profile. And the final section is specifying how we're going to determine what is the winner. By default, this is on highest opens, so the segments with the highest opens will be determined as the winner. If we like, we can change this to most clicks. And finally, what should the wait time be? So in this current state, after all 3 segments have gone out, we will wait 24 hours before evaluating and determining which is the winning segment. If you like, you can use the drop-down menus to increase and decrease this time as specified. When you're happy and ready to send a test, we can see we've got the Run Test button over here. Let's click on Run Test. It will just ask us to confirm that we're going to A/B test the send time to 6,500 subscribers. When you're happy and ready to do that, click on Let's Do It.